Hello, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up at the end of this video to give you some feedback on this camera, or additional feedback. I've set up over 80 of these cameras, and the failure rate is about 10%, and in my book that's unacceptable. What I'm running into is the setup process may fail, where the app will not discover the camera. It'll be connecting to the network, and it'll continue to spin, and eventually you'll get a failure saying cannot be found. That is one point in which I've been having failures. The other one is when the camera has been set up and working fine and may later disconnect from the network. When you go back to reconnect it to the network, you run into the problem of failure and not being able to find device. I just wanted to share this bit of information with you so it could weigh in on how you make your purchase decisions in the future. Again, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos coming your way. Thanks again.